I'm Engineer Mulekwe Hilary K.E. I'm the Director of Hen Luminary Energy International Pty Limited. I invented Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant that kills coronavirus on surface, kill human poliovirus on surface, also kill hepatitis B on surface. Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant kills bacteria on surface, kills Staphylococcus Aureus on surface. Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant is used for disinfecting and cleaning. Disinfecting is all about killing pathogen on the surface, while cleaning is all about removing contaminant on the surface. What I'm doing today is to do a fundraising for donating Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant to affected households by the flood, Queensland. Okay, the account name is Hen Luminary Energy International Pty Limited. Why the BSB is 032078. The account number is 832890. I repeat again, the account name is Hen Luminary Energy International Pty Limited, Australia. BSB is 032078. The account number is 832890. So, Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant is used for disinfecting and cleaning. For those affected by the flood, we're going to donate Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant. A box of Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant will be donating to the different affected household by the flood. A box of Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant like this will be donating to them. Okay. Please have a look. For some of you, if you want the account name is written here, the BSB is written here, the account number is also written here. So the account name is Hen Luminary Energy International Pty Limited, while the BSB is 032078, while the account number is 832890. I repeat again, the account name is Hen Luminary Energy International Pty Limited, while the BSB is 032078, while the account number is 832890. Okay, if you have a look, you can see some Australian dollar inside this container. This is already been donating by well-meaning Australians. So, whether rich or poor, I urge all Australians, even if it is 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents, and $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, $20, $100, $50, $40 can create a very positive impact to the residents affected by this flood. Okay. The reason why Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant is highly needed at this time is, and most of the time, wherever flood do take place, there is chances of a soil-borne diseases such as Mycobacterium. Mycobacterium is a soil-borne disease. It can be fatal. Mycobacterium is a real tropical disease found in North Australian, not 10 Australians. So using Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant by the resident affected by this flood will prevent them for this bacteria that is a soil-borne diseases. So because Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant is for disinfecting and cleaning, and it kills coronavirus, it kills other viruses, also kill germs, kill bacteria on surface. So Adaolisa Universal Disinfectant is the key, is the way forward for cleaning and tidying up of these affected areas. Please, I use this platform, I use this opportunity to urge 1 million Australians. No matter amount of money, whether it's 10 cents, 5 cents, is going to go a long way by creating a positive impact by this resident affected by this flood. Please, if you want to know more about Adaolisa, or if you have more questions, you can call me on my mobile number 042-23-60216. I'm a chemical engineer, I'm a petroleum engineer, I'm a scientist. I'm the director of Handloom Energy International, Pty Limited. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.